Hello, got just a quick little devlog for you today. I've changed a couple of the nodes around here, got rid of the heat map, and we now have this cascading uh, top consumers tile as one of the optional replacements for that. I also have this live nodes tile here, which is at the server level, whereas the resource utilization tile is at the cluster level. I need to do better on my naming of these because it's apparent to me as I'm developing it, but it's not apparent to people just starting out using the software. So I'm toying with some different naming conventions for some of these items to make it a little bit more easy to understand and approachable. I have also revamped the analytics page for resource consumption. And we have, your CPU, memory, storage, network, and the Proxima API, which is just the activity that's happening between your servers / clusters and the Proxima environment. And so you can see at the per hour, all the way up to 30-day in terms of preset segments. You can do custom length on there as well. And you can also click to drag a specific time date there, and it will set the time and the date right within the custom field. You can also filter based upon servers, and this also has an integrated search, so you can just say, hey, I want to do this specific server here, and it will go that way as well. And then you can export the information to a CSV for use in other applications. I don't have this export finalized yet in terms of a clean data structure for it to be easily imported into other monitoring solutions. That will come in time, but the framework to download the data is what's built out here. One of the areas I don't think I covered really well before was the console manager. This is where all of your different console sessions will live. And so it is really easy to open up a shell here, and you can log into a session on one of them. Let's say you need to go into another one here. It will show up as a separate tab, and then you can drag and drop to create a grouped environment. You can ungroup them, move the tabs around. You can save specific layouts. You can bookmark specific sections too. And then even if you have these grouped together and you go somewhere else, your micro window here is still live, showing what is happening on those. So I can say, hey, we'll just do an apt update here on this, so that way you can see that it is live for what is happening. There we go. You could see it a little bit better there. It's interactively updating as you're going about doing whatever else you're needing to be doing. I think that is all that's going to be covered here at the moment. We have a lot more exciting changes and updates coming in the future. Feel free to stay tuned, and I will see you next time.